first pictures of the B-29 Superfortress, the biggest, fastest bombing plane in the world. Within 2 weeks following Allied landings in France, and 1 day after Allied landings at Saipan, 1,500 miles from Tokyo, a force of these flying dreadnoughts took off from an unnamed base in China. They struck at Yawata, the center of 1/5 of Japanese steel production. So powerful is this new giant of the skies that a worldwide aerial organization, the 20th Air Force, will operate the Superfortresses under the command of the Combined Chiefs of Staff. In order to reach their bases in China, the planes flew from India across the hump over dread Himalayan peaks towering 20,000 feet into the air. Here in the clouds, at the last stop before Kunming, China, engineers of the Chinese Army have set up landing strips. The almost complete lack of modern equipment has not stopped the Chinese in the crucial job of constructing these airfields. Dwarfing the mighty Fortress and Liberator to medium bomber status, the 8,800 horsepower Superfortress is a global weapon for global warfare.